Nice, spilling over into the spine. Maybe going to the foot. Nice. To the shoulder, elbow.
Like exhausted, but also super nourished and all together there. And I was looking around like, wow, we're actually doing this, and I really enjoyed it. That was a magical moment. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Is this a vlog?
This is a vlog. And how long did you stand in your kick up today?
So I was very proud because on the eel pools I did the 10 repetitions 5 times for the first time.
Successful, and then at some moment I just did it, and I thought nobody was watching me, but I did it, and then everybody was like, yes!
You always have the key, no?
Definitely.
Create the locks.
Create the logs
So you can create the key. Have
so
the
you
key.
can create the kit.